Welcome to Bike Plus, where we explore not just the thrill of two wheels but also the cutting edge of military and aviation technology. Today, we're taking a high-speed dive into the skies with the 2025 Dassault Rafale, one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or a defense tech follower, this aircraft is one to watch in 2025. Overview of the Rafale. The Dassault Rafale, developed by the French aerospace company Dassault Aviation, is a twin-engine, canard delta-wing, multi-role fighter aircraft. Designed to perform air supremacy, interdiction, aerial reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence missions, it is among the most versatile fighters in operation today. The 2025 iteration brings forward enhancements that elevate its status as a 4.5-plus generation jet. Upgrades in the 2025 version. In 2025, the Rafale has received a series of strategic upgrades that enhance its combat capability. The jet is now equipped with the F4 standard, a comprehensive update focusing on connectivity, radar performance, and weapon systems. The improved RBE-2 AESA radar now offers extended detection range and better resistance to jamming. Enhanced Spectra electronic warfare suite delivers increased survivability in contested environments. The F4 standard also introduces the ability to deploy new weapons, including the highly advanced MBDA Meteor Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile and the upgraded Scalp Deep Strike cruise missile. These additions dramatically increase the Rafale's strike reach and lethality. Connectivity and combat systems. One of the major focuses in the 2025 Rafale is network-centric warfare. With improved communication and data sharing systems, the Rafale is now capable of operating seamlessly with allied forces in joint missions. Its combat cloud capabilities allow real-time data exchange between aircraft, drones, and command centers, giving pilots an unmatched tactical advantage. The cockpit itself has been modernized with improved displays, updated mission software, and better ergonomics to support long missions and high cognitive workloads. Strategic role and global presence. France continues to deploy the Rafale across multiple theaters, with proven performance in Syria, Iraq, Mali, and beyond. In 2025, international interest in the Rafale remains strong, with recent deals signed with countries like the UAE, India, and Indonesia. Its ability to operate from aircraft carriers and rough runways gives it a strategic edge that few jets in its class can match. Conclusion. The 2025 Dassault Rafale is more than just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of modern air dominance, adaptability, and precision. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more deep dives into world-class machines, both in the skies and on the road.